Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So friend, today we will learn about the soil testing, or you can say soil investigation. See, for construction of any structure, a knowledge about the ground condition is important. The soil structure capacity and behavior under the various loading condition will help design the substructure and retaining structure and to suggest action to improve ground condition when required. The field and laboratory investigation required to obtain necessary data regarding the soil for proper design and successful construction of any structure at the site. So friend, today we'll learn about why soil investigation is important and how to do it. So let's start. So friend, first we will see the objective of the soil investigation. The main objective of the soil test are to assess the general suitability of the site, bearing capacity of the soil, select type and depth of the foundation for a given structure, and also to estimate maximum probable settlement and investigate the nature and depth of each stratum and assess the required property, study the groundwater condition, ensure safety of existing structure, study of shrinkage and swelling potential, and also a study of lateral earth pressure on the soil and the drainage at the site. See, before starting any project, we need detailed investigation, mainly for the big project like dam, bridge, multi-story building. The depth of soil exploration is carried out up to the significant depth, that is where stresses due to the loading are reduced to 20%. Depth of soil exploration depends on the types of structure, depth and types of foundation, height of embankment, and also capillary rise. Minimum 5 boreholes are required for an area of about 0.5 hectare, that can be reduced to 1 in case of compact site. The spacing of boreholes is kept as following: 10 to 30 meter depending upon subsurface condition, or 150 to 300 meter in case of highway, and 40 to 80 meter in case of concrete dams. There are two types of samples. First is disturbed and second is undisturbed. In disturbed, natural soil structure modified or disturbed, and also used to test index property, that is grain size, plasticity, specific gravity. And in disturbed sample, we can also represent composition and mineral structure, natural soil strata and moisture content maintained. But in undisturbed soil sample, engineer property determined, that is shear strength, compressibility, permeability, and also represent the soil structure. For collecting samples, we need sampler, and these are the requirement of good sampler, that is maximum inside diameter should be 75 mm, cutting edge angle should be less than 20 degree, the sampler tube should be uniform and smooth, and recovery ratio should be 96% to 98%, and also inside wall should be properly oiled to reduce wall friction. Considering different type of soil sampler available in the market to collect soil samples, these are the some types of the sampler, that is standard split spoon sampler, and second is scraper bucket sampler, and third is piston sampler, and fourth is Denison sampler, and also hand carved sampler. So for soil investigation, there are some field tests, that is SPT, means standard penetration test, and also we do cone penetration test, and the third field test is vein shear test. So friend, last step in a soil investigation is borehole data, site observation and lab result. Each borehole identified by a code, mainly 4 parts, that is project detail, result, analysis and possible solution. And borelog means all data of borehole, depth, strata variation obtained, and property of each strata, water table, etc. And also subsoil profile, that is data obtained from a series of borehole. So friend, today we will learn about the soil investigation property and how to do soil test. So friend, if you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching.